a lot of schools, I walk in and they'll refer to their classrooms as learning communities, but the reality of it is still teachers sitting up front, talking, and kids aren't talking to one another. It's just a fancy name for something that we've always done. And what we're trying to say is that more now than ever, because of these technologies, we can truly build powerful learning communities, because the kid that never said anything and has nothing to do with the phone, because we all grew up with kids that did this, now has a voice because they can share in a different medium. They can share in different ways. And so we get to hear them and learn from them. And this is not just kids. You can have teachers that are comfortable talking in front of students, yet will not contribute to a staff meeting because we expect conversation, we expect verbal, yet can we not learn from them in other ways where we say, have you tried a blog or a Twitter account, or maybe they like making YouTube videos or podcasts. There's so many opportunities out there for us to learn from one another, and we need to really embrace them.